The pilot scheme for the Home's Microplastics project aims to send out sample testing kits to citizen scientists in the community around Bristol, and they are going to test out 4 different microscopes to examine their sample dishes for microplastics that have settled onto them from their home.
Hi, are you running?
Hi, I am. Hi. I was interested in being part of the pilot scheme because I'm becoming more aware about the presence of microplastics everywhere. I just don't think we're aware enough of how much of that we're producing just by wearing things or opening packets. So I think anything which helps to demonstrate the sheer volume of waste is incredibly valuable.
You can have citizen research that essentially collects the data, and you just gather the data and bring it back and say thank you very much. To the co-creative citizen community research as we're doing in homes, where citizens help you design and create the research itself and build that research landscape.
Once the citizens have taken their images and upload them, the samples will come back to me in the lab, and I will find their fibres underneath a microscope, and I'm going to use a technique called Raman spectroscopy to analyse those fibres and determine what the type of plastic is. What we're hoping to discover is what plastics are present in people's homes. We're going to try and work out what the sources of those plastics are. Maybe from them we can work out, is there a way to reduce microplastics going into the environment?